So this is the GTX 1080 Ti overclocked edition. It's not too bad, as you can see. However, I do have a small problem, and the problem is I need two 8-pin connectors, and because I have an amazing power supply unit, I only got one 8-pin connector over here and one 6-pin connector from two 4-pin connectors. I hope that's correct. And I don't know where the hell the other one is. There's supposed to be two 8-pin connectors and one 4x4 for the motherboard. No, for the CPU. This is for the motherboard. This is for the CPU. And I have no idea where it is. I mean, no, it's not here. Apparently this is the B600. So unless they got fucked over, which I hope not. God. Yep, that's no build for today, so I ordered a new PSU, and this guy will have to wait in the box, unfortunately. So, back in the box you go, mate. There we go. Handsome as fuck. Wee, wee, wee. Yeah, sorry, Rob. The build will have to wait, I guess, 3 days. That's how long it should take for the new EVGA? 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 I don't know. But, yeah. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. It's all good. Alright, man. Peace out.